Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're scrolling and someone says, "My business pays for my car," or "I wrote off my Tesla this year." And you're sitting there like, wait, how does that even work? Can you actually buy a car through your LLC, or is that just TikTok talk? I'm Erin, and in this video, I'm breaking it down like a friend would, what's real, what's just hype, and what you actually need to have that up before you can buy a car through your business. We'll go step by step using Northwest Registered Agent, one of the most trusted and easiest ways to form your LLC safely and affordably. Quick note before we dive in, I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. And if you decide to use Northwest Registered Agent, I do have an affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep making free breakdowns like this. Section 1, can you really buy a car with an LLC? So here's the deal. Yes, you can buy a car through your LLC, but let's slow it down and really explain what that means in simple terms. Buying a car through your LLC isn't just walking into a dealership and saying, "Hey, I want this under my business." It means your company, not you personally, becomes the legal owner of the car. To make that happen, your LLC must be officially set up, registered with your state, have its own EIN, that's like a social security number for your business, and ideally its own business bank account. This is what keeps your personal life separate from your business. It's like drawing a clear line between your money and your company's money. When your LLC owns the car, the title, registration, insurance, and even the loan are all in the business name. That means the car technically belongs to your business. You can still drive it, but from a tax and legal perspective, it's the company's vehicle. Now, this only makes sense if you actually use the car for business. For example, if you deliver goods, meet clients, show houses, transport tools or products, or drive regularly for work. If you're using it 90% for personal errands, the IRS won't buy that it's a true business expense. So think of this as something that helps business owners who are on the road a lot. Delivery drivers, real estate agents, construction workers, consultants, and freelancers who meet clients in person. Section 2, why LLC formation matters. But before you even get to that point, you have to form your LLC properly, because that's what separates your personal liability from your business liability. If your LLC isn't set up correctly and something happens, say you get into an accident in a company car, your personal assets could still be on the line. That's why I always recommend to use a professional formation service instead of trying to figure it all out alone. And Northwest Registered Agent is one of the best in the game. Let me show you exactly how the process looks so you can see what you're getting into and why the setup matters if you plan on financing or registering a car under your business name. When you land on Northwest's website, you'll see right away they advertise a $39 business formation service. That means for $39 plus your state's filing fee, they'll handle all the official LLC paperwork for you. A lot of sites charge hundreds, but Northwest keeps it transparent. One flat service fee, no surprises. You can use them to form your LLC, corporation, or even a nonprofit, and they walk you through everything. When you click Get Started, this is the first screen you'll see. It asks what kind of business you want to start. Choose LLC if that's your goal, and then you'll pick your state. That's where your LLC will be registered and where the filing fee applies. On the right, you'll see your order summary update live, showing exactly what you'll owe at checkout. Next up, you'll enter your company information, your business name, your registered address, and whether you want to send legal notices to your attorney. The key detail here is your address on file with the state. You can use Northwest's registered agent address, and honestly, you should. That keeps your personal address off the public record and prevents random legal mail from showing up at your house. Then for company management, you'll decide who runs the LLC day to day, either member managed or manager managed. For most solo business owners or freelancers, you'll select member managed, add your name, keep their registered address selected for privacy, and move on. Step 4 is contact information. Here's where you add your personal contact details, your name, your number, and mailing address. They keep this off public databases, so it won't show up in any online search or state record. That way you can still be reached for official updates without your personal information being tied to your business online. Step 5 is account setup. Next, you'll make your account just an email and password. And once that's done, you'll have an online dashboard to track filings, renewals, and mail forwarding. It's basically your own business hub. Step 6 is business identity. Here's something really helpful. They include a free business domain name for your first year and give you 90-day trials for your business website, email, and phone number. After that, it's about $9 a month for each, or you can bundle them for roughly $21. Think of it like building your online storefront. Having a website and email that match your business name makes you look professional when you talk to lenders or insurers. They see a business that's organized and consistent, which makes approvals a lot smoother when you're setting things up in your LLC name. Step 7 is optional items. Here's where you can tailor your setup. This is the part where you choose what your LLC actually includes. Tax ID or EIN, that's basically your business's social security number. It's what banks and lenders look for when you open a business account, apply for financing, or title a car under your company's name. S corporation election, this lets your LLC be taxed differently so you can potentially keep more of your earnings instead of paying self-employment tax on everything. Premium service and trademark filing, these protect your brand and make sure official documents always reach your business instead of your home mailbox. Each option has a clear explanation so you can pick what fits your situation and skip the extras you don't need. Step 8 is payment information. Finally, you'll see a breakdown of your total. It'll include your state's filing fee plus anything extra you selected like the EIN or S-Corp setup. Once you pay, Northwest handles the paperwork, submits it to your state, and keeps you updated until your LLC is officially approved. You also get a full year of registered agent service included, which is huge. So that's how you set up your LLC with Northwest from start to finish. It's simple, fast, and actually beginner friendly. And once that's complete, you'll have everything you need to buy a car through your LLC, your EIN, business address, and legal documents to prove your business exists. Section 3, before you buy that car. Before heading to the dealership, it helps to understand what the IRS actually considers business use. Owning a vehicle through your LLC doesn't automatically mean every expense linked to it can be written off. When a car is both used for work and personal errands, you're expected to document how much of the total mileage is for work. A simple mileage app or even a login on your phone keeps that record clear. Accountants sometimes suggest buying the vehicle under your name instead, then having your LLC reimburse you for your work mileage. That approach can simplify taxes and still give you many of the same financial benefits. It all comes down to how you use the car day to day and what your business actually needs. Common mistakes to avoid. A lot of people rush into buying a car under their LLC and miss small but details. They forget to keep a mileage log or they mix personal and business expenses on the same card. That can cause problems at tax time or even make deductions invalid. So keeping your account separate and tracking every for work makes things much smoother later. Another mistake is skipping the proper paperwork when financing. Some dealerships don't understand business purchases. Bringing your EIN, articles of organization, and proof of address helps the process go smoothly. FAQs. Let's clear up a few common questions. Can my LLC buy any car? Technically, yes, but the IRS expects it to serve a business purpose, client meetings, deliveries, or business travel. What if I use it personally too? That's fine, but you'll only be able to deduct the percentage that's for business use. For example, if 70% of your driving is business, you can write off 70% of your expenses. Can I write off my car payment? If the loan is under your LLC's name and the car is used for work, yes. Otherwise, you'll claim mileage or reimburse yourself for business trips. All right, that's your full breakdown of how to buy a car with your LLC and how to actually form one properly through Northwest Registered Agent. I'll drop the link to Northwest below if you're ready to start. It's my affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, but it helps me keep making videos like this for you. And hey, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss future guides. This is Erin reminding you that every smart step, even paperwork, gets you closer to building real financial freedom.